Hello students, so this is question from JAM 2025 and the question is based on surface current density K. K is given and it is one dimensional and it exists in thin strip and we have to calculate the surface current. So we know that K will become here di by dy. It is di by dl in general, L perpendicular. So this will become di will become, so it is always perpendicular, so perpendicular will be like this will be dl perpendicular. Okay, so suppose this is the flow of current, so some small part you will take here dl perpendicular. Okay, so this here will become dy and now I have to integrate k dy, so I will become integration from 0 to b and k is a e to the power minus y and dy. So this will become a and what is integral e to the power minus y? E to the power minus y by minus 1, 0 to b. So this will become minus a e to the power minus b minus 1. So it is a 1 minus e to the power minus b. So similarly a question can be asked on J also, which is di by dA perpendicular, and in this case it is di by dl perpendicular. Okay, thank you.